Welcome to my Coursefy review. Hi there, I'm excited to share a platform that helps you teach, scale, and earn, all in one place. It's called Coursefy. So, what is Coursefy? Coursefy is a platform designed to help anyone monetize knowledge, even without experience. It combines AI-driven course creation, marketing tools, and professional websites into one package, giving you a faster, easier path into online education. However, before proceeding with the demo and the OTOs, please note that the link provided in the description is my affiliate link, and if you purchase through my link, you will receive some exclusive bonuses from me, which you can see on the screen. Also, you can use the discount coupon, Coursefy30, and get a 30% discount. Now watch the complete official demo video of Coursefy, and understand how it works. I hope you understand how Coursefy does its magic. It is a low one-time offer. Take advantage of this amazing opportunity. If you want to check out Coursefy at any point, go ahead and click the link in the description. Now let's review the OTOs, the one-time offers. First, we have already seen the Coursefy front end. To check all the OTOs, check the link in the description. The first OTO is Unlimited Edition. Second OTO is Done For You Edition. Third OTO is Reseller. Lastly, the fourth OTO is Whitelabel. Now, here are the premium level bonuses that you will be receiving inside the members area once you decide to purchase. These are other than my own bonuses. Success online is about timing, and right now the momentum is on your side. Coursefy gives you the speed, automation, and freedom to launch your academy today. Secure your one-time access now and join the new wave of profitable digital education.